Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Dr. Fit Facts. As you're all aware that we focusing in Chapter 1, 12 weeks workout program. Today we are moving to our new lecture of Week 5. Wait, if you are new on channel, so please first go back and watch my previous lectures to update your sequence. This week is about power and explosiveness. We're introducing more dynamic movements, which means higher calorie burn and improved overall strength. Let's step it up. Please like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get in touch for new lectures. Starts with warm-up. Exercise 1. Jump squats. 3 sets of 12 reps each. Jump squats are a high-intensity plyometric exercise that combines a traditional squat with an explosive jump. This dynamic movement is great for building strength, power, and endurance. How to perform jump squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower into a squat by bending your knees and pushing your hips back, keeping your chest up. Explode upwards into a jump, reaching as high as you can. Land softly with knees slightly bent, returning to the squat position, and repeat. Benefits of jump squats. Builds lower body strength. Strengthens the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. Boosts cardiovascular fitness. The explosive jumping motion elevates your heart rate, improving endurance and cardiovascular health. Enhances power and explosiveness. Develops explosive power in the legs, making it beneficial for athletes in sports requiring quick bursts of movement. Increases calorie burn. The intensity of jump squats helps burn more calories in a short amount of time, making it a great fat-burning exercise. Improves coordination and balance. Jumping and landing require balance and coordination, enhancing overall athletic performance. Jump squats are an efficient way to combine strength training and cardio, perfect for boosting lower body power and stamina. Cardio 1 minute, burpees or stair climbs. Exercise 2. Push-ups with shoulder taps. 3 sets of 10 reps each. Push-ups with shoulder taps combine the traditional push-up with an additional stability challenge by incorporating shoulder taps. This variation not only strengthens the chest, shoulders, and arms but also engages the core and improves balance. How to perform push-ups with shoulder taps. Start in a standard push-up position with your hands shoulder-width apart and feet hip-width apart. Lower your chest to the floor by bending your elbows. Then push back up to the starting position. At the top of the push-up, lift one hand off the ground and tap the opposite shoulder. Return the hand to the ground and repeat on the other side. Continue alternating shoulder taps after each push-up. Benefits of push-ups with shoulder taps. Builds upper body strength. Targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps while engaging more stabilizer muscles than a regular push-up. Improves core stability. The shoulder tap forces your core to work harder to prevent your body from rotating, making it an excellent core strengthening move. Enhances balance and coordination. The unilateral movement of the shoulder tap improves coordination and balance. Increases shoulder and arm endurance. The additional shoulder taps engage the deltoid muscles, helping to build endurance and strength in the shoulders. Boosts functional strength. This compound movement improves overall functional fitness, helping with daily activities that involve pushing and stabilization. It's an excellent exercise for building upper body strength while promoting core stability and balance. Cardio 1 minute, jump rope or sprints. Exercise 3. Bent over rows. 3 sets of 12 reps each. Bent over rows are a compound exercise that primarily targets the muscles in the back, specifically the latissimus dorsi, trapezius, and rhomboids, as well as the biceps and shoulders. How to perform bent over rows. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, holding a barbell or dumbbells. Bend at the hips, keeping your back straight and your knees slightly bent. Let the weights hang with your arms fully extended. Pull the weights toward your waist, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Lower the weights back down in a controlled manner. Benefits of bent over rows. Strengthens back muscles. Targets the upper and middle back, improving posture and reducing the risk of back injuries. Improves posture. Strengthens muscles responsible for maintaining an upright posture. Enhances core stability. Engages the core to keep the body stable during the movement. Builds upper body strength. Works the biceps, shoulders, and forearms for overall upper body development. Boosts functional strength. Helps in daily activities like pulling, lifting, and carrying. It's a highly effective move for building a strong, balanced upper body. Cardio 1 minute, shadow boxing or treadmill sprints. Exercise. 4 planks and bicycle crunches superset. 30 seconds plank, 15 crunches, 3 sets. The details about this exercise is already mentioned in previous lectures. Just visit previous lectures to find out the details. Congratulations, we have completed all exercises for today. Lecture 6 will be uploaded tomorrow. Please follow the channel by like, subscribe and comment your remarkable suggestion for Dr. Fit Facts betterment. Thank you.